Hi, this is Danielle Bassoni back with another episode of Time for Change Kitchen. We are here again at one of our favorite restaurants in Santiago, Spain. Hui Kitchen is an authentic Chinese restaurant and one of the few places in Santiago where you can find fresh vegetables in abundance. Today, Chef Hui is teaching us how to make his delicious recipe of tender and flavorful braised bok choy. This recipe cooks up very quickly and is a perfect complement to the braised eggplant dish we made earlier. I will add a link to that recipe in the show notes. It's also great served with rice on the side. You may use fresh or dried shiitake mushrooms in this recipe, which is one serving. It is easy to double this recipe, but to preserve the quality of this dish, and because this recipe cooks up so quickly, it's best to prepare no more than 2 servings at a time. Use 2 medium mushrooms per recipe. If using dried mushrooms, first put them into a heat-proof dish and cover them with water. Microwave for 1 minute. I like to put another bowl on top of the first bowl so that the mushrooms are constantly submerged. Allow the mushrooms to absorb water for 30 minutes. Drain off the water and cut off any hard stems. Now we can begin the recipe. Slice the mushroom into strips. Next, take a large handful of baby bok choy. Chef Hui also chooses another larger stem of bok choy with bigger leaves. He leaves the baby bok choy whole, but he cuts the larger, less tender pieces across so that they'll cook quickly. This also adds more color to the dish. Chef Hui heats his wok until it's quite hot. Then he tempers it with a little vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil, but Chef Hui uses sunflower oil. Once the wok is hot and coated with oil, he removes the excess, adding back just a little to cook his dish. First, he stirs in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, followed quickly by the shiitake mushrooms. Then he adds the bok choy and about 1/2 cup of water or vegetable broth. This is to prevent it from burning. Next comes a teaspoon of rice wine. Next, Chef Hui adds salt and MSG, which is a flavor enhancer. It is rumored that MSG may cause allergic reactions. There have been many studies investigating this claim, and MSG has been proven to be completely safe. However, if this is a concern for you, you can easily leave it out of this dish. Notice that Chef Hui continually moves the vegetables around the pan, adding other ingredients as he goes. Finally, Chef Hui adds a little bit of oil as a finishing touch. His daughter Siyu explained to me that this is to retain the deep green color of the bok choy, which adds to the visual presentation of the dish. Now, all that is left is to plate the bok choy and enjoy eating it while it's hot. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.